All right, here we go. It's black, it's square, and it has a ball on the end of it.
Wow.
What is it?
That's all you got.
That's all I got.
Don't over-describe.
It's so easy.
Don't over-describe.
It's so easy. I don't want to give it away.
You know what this is? It's my fresh air purse. So when they try to make me come back inside, I need my fresh air, right? So I go outside, I capture whatever season. You can get Christmas tree season, you can get whatever season. And I get back inside and I'm like,
Clean.
oh my God, okay.
What did we say, hippie? Total hippie.
He is
Oh
a
my
Total
God.
hippie. Fresh air purse. Yeah. Obviously, you've not been to the gym as often as I have,
Oh yeah?
or ever. But every once in a while, I miss a day,
Right.
and I feel bad because I don't get my pump on.
Yeah.
And so I want to make, so I just want to make sure that when I don't get my pump on, I've got a little extra something or whatever. So on chest and pec day,
You look so good.
Yeah, it's the same.
I can just pump it
You
up.
look, you look so
Oh my.
Did you know I went to the gym
good.
today?
No, don't. We'll have to pay Arnold some money.
I just work my left back. Tomorrow I work my right back.
Let it
Give me
go.
that.
A little uneven.
Give me that.
Take it.
This is a fabulous multi-tool for when you want to go out to a live performance. You go and you sit down in the seat, and the person in front of you is just too tall. It's just like you like this, and you can actually like it's not you.
I can relate.
It's not you. It's not you. So you just pump yourself up.
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
It's a multi-tool. It also is a whoopee cushion, so you can clear the room.
Pec pump. Cheek pump.
Multifunctional.
Pec pump. You're good at clearing the room anyway.
No, I'm not.
Well, I have to admit that you are the closest. All right.
Whoopee cushion.
All right, so I'm going to pick this up. You slide that under there. All right. Now, this will actually lift up about 300 pounds. I use
Obviously.
I use these a lot for basically hanging doors and windows. You want to plumb it or level it. I pump it up. Look at the gap
It's
underneath
just a great
it.
tool.
Put it
Look
where
at the
it
pavers go up.
Up, and then make it go down, Tommy.
See, now that it's up there, I put my shims under there. I'm talking about a door, and you're worried about getting.
Make it go down.
There we go.
Awesome.
Look at that.
It's cool.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.